Ladies and gentlemen, it's yet another day and welcome back to this channel. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning and I have some piece of news that I think would interest many of us who are interested in buying shares, buying bonds and bills and all that, generally investing in financial assets that are usually floated by the government, CBK generally. So finally, the long-awaited digital platform by CBK has been launched. That was done yesterday, Monday, the 31st of July, 2023. And the new trading bond trading platform was launched, or rather was allowed. Now it is up and running. It is called the CBK DO CSD. The one, the kama ile ya nini Kataru, that one. That is DHOW CSD. So why is this significant? This is significant because effectively what CBK has done, it has cut off the brokers from this process of trading in bonds and bills. And now you will be able to go directly to this platform and buy for yourself and bid for yourself the bonds and bills that you want to buy. Now, this platform is going to be revolutionary because it is going to, make investments be easy. It has been very difficult for the common mwananchi in Kenya to trade in bonds and bills. In fact, apart from that, I think in the last 3 years is when we have seen a lot of activities in the bills and bonds market by the retail person like you and me, or the retail investor in this particular field. From statistics, I think in 3 years ago, the retail investors had invested about 139 billion Kenya shillings in bills and bonds, according to the CBK, what we call the CBK statistics. But right now, we are doing over 300 billion Kenya shillings in investments in bills and bonds. This means that the normal mwananchi or the normal investor, them with small amount of money, can actually now invest in this particular bills and bonds more easily without having to go through brokers. Previously CBK had issued had started what is called M-Akiba. It was a way of trying to woo in the retail investors, people without a lot of money to invest in, people who had the minimum you could invest in was 3,000 shillings. So if you had 3,000 and above, you could just get into M-Akiba and buy your bills and bonds. And now with this new platform, it is going to make it even easier for you to trade in this particular bills and bonds in Kenya. The government of Kenya is very keen, looks like it's very keen, in my own interpretation, to borrow locally vis-a-vis borrowing everything abroad or in other international markets. The issue of what we've had before, the Eurobond that we have, the government had done before, probably is not the best thing to do right now as a country. So the government has to get money, so they are going for this other local market. Of course, it's going to have an impact on the common mwananchi because the cost of borrowing, of course, has gone high. And with what happened last week, was it last week or last week, but one with the Fed, the Federal Reserve Bank of the USA rather, not the America, increasing their basis rate, I'm expecting that even our own CBK will go and follow suit and increase the interest rates. When that happens, expect an increase in interest rates of loans as well. As the interest rates on deposits go high, the interest rates on loans as well tend to go high. So it's just a phenomenon just to watch and be aware of. But for now, just know that the Dow CSD is here. So if you have been thinking about investing in bills and bonds, please go to the CBK platform and just type there the new platform that they have set there. I think they're calling it, let me see, I'll put a link down here for you so that you can be able to just click in there and you'll be able to invest your monies in government bills and bonds. Otherwise, in other news, the sugar is still having a shortage. We're still having a shortage of sugar worldwide, and expect that the sugar prices will continue to rise. But having said that, that's just by the way. My name is Gishure Irungu. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and click down here on the subscribe button and like and share this video with any other person who is interested in investments, finance, and personal development. That is what we do here. Otherwise, God bless you and have a lovely day. Bye.